Eric, Radiator Grille Store here, doing another install with our BMW G87 M2 front radiator grille kit. This is a little different design. This is our version 2.0. So we're going to take a look and show you how easy it is to install this. It's a great looking product. Come on with us. We're going to show you the 5-piece kit. You will see they look like this. And these are the ones that you need to match up. This one goes on that side, and then there's an opposite version on the other side. And then you got the 3 through the middle that are pretty self-explanatory. We'll come in here, we'll scooch in here. And you'll be aligning this, bring it in towards the top first. And then once it clicks in, that's in. Then match up the other pieces. Clicks in. And click in. Easy as that. Pretty simple install. Looks great. You can find these and more at radiatorgrillestore.com.